Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissanailzcliques. I have an Ipsy unboxing to share with you guys, and this is Ipsy Bag May. Are we almost done with May already? Oh my goodness, guys. I'm sorry for getting this out so late, but let me share with you what I received. Ooh, my scissors are pretty dull. Alright. Oh, look how cute. Okay, so this is the May unboxing. Oh, look how cute that is. So we have two different masks here, guys. Fresh Garden Pomegranate Firming Mask and Fresh Garden Ackieberry Calming Mask. Ooh, I love that. Ooh, spa night. And check out this really pretty bag. That's super cute. I love this. It's like the passport look. That's what my passport looks like, guys. Stamp, stamp, stamp. It's got the cute Ipsy little tag here. Let's see. It says, "Go there, Ipsy, May 2018." So this is the May Ipsy bag. I'm sorry it's a little late, but we're still in May, so let's get to it. Sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself. Oh yes, Ipsy. Alrighty, let's see what we have. Neon and Company Hair and Scalp Mask. Just like a facial, only for your hair. Very cool. It's a 20 ml bottle. It says, after using your shampoo, towel dry and apply a thumb size amount of hair and scalp mask to mid-lengths and ends. Massage into the scalp and leave for about 10 minutes and then rinse and towel dry. I'll have to try that out. And then we have, oh, I love this. I've gotten this before. This is the Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. And this is the moisturizer. I love these. I buy these even on eBay, like in bulk. Yeah, I love these. It's a cute little sample size. This is 7.5 ml, so it's a tiny one. You can see it's a small one, but it's great to throw in your travel bag. Ooh, what is this? Nail lacquer, and this is Miami and Namaste by the Pool. It's a 0.20 fluid ounce. Namaste by the Pool. Ooh, look at how cute that bottle is, guys. It's a tiny little bottle, but it's super cute. And it's called Namaste by the Pool. Very relaxing. It's similar to the blue that I have on now, I would think. So it is kind of close to that. Maybe a little brighter, because this one is a little on the deeper blue side. So I'll have to try that out, but it seems like it's a regular nail polish. So I'll have to try that. Never heard of the Deco Miami nail lacquer company. So we'll have to check that out. It's a cute blue. I think blue is like the hottest color this season. I've had so many compliments on this blue, and a lot of people have told me like everybody's wearing blue, so it must be a very popular color for spring and summer this year. And this pencil is Lord & Berry. And this is a crayon lipstick. Ooh, it's 20100 Maximate. I don't know which one that is. And this is in Spicy. P3401 Spicy. You see that color there? I'll show you what it looks like. Very pretty. It's a very pretty color. I'll be trying that. It's a nice light nude color. It's very pretty. So that, guys, is my May Ipsy bag. I'm super psyched to try these masks out. and to test out that polish. And I'm always happy to get the first, what is it called again? First Aid Beauty. I love their products. I'm already a huge fan, so I'm happy to get some more. And I'll have to try out that hair mask too. So I'm very happy with what I received, and I hope you guys enjoyed your bag. If you received it, please let me know what you got, if you got anything different, and I hope you enjoy seeing what I received. I'll talk to you next month with another Ipsy bag. Talk to you soon. Bye guys.